Ilura, Namaste. Good morning, children. You wish me good morning? Oh, good morning. Thank you. Already we learned English first lesson. We learn new life on a farm. That lesson already I taught you in the previous video. Okay? Already I said you. I taught you. Now already a lesson చెప్పాను. What is the lesson name? New life on a farm. Already it was taught by me. Okay? Already in a lesson చెప్పాను. Okay? So now you have to take your workbook. Workbook is a class workbook. Okay? Workbook అంటే క్లాస్ బుక్. ఈ క్లాస్ బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, క్లాస్ వర్క్, హోంవర్క్, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. కోర్స్ బుక్ ఈజ్ అ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. Workbook is a class book. Activity is the homework book. Now you have to take your class book. Means a book class book ante workbook. What you have to take? Workbook. Okay? All of you take your workbook volume 1. Okay? Take your workbooks. All of you take your workbooks. I will give the notes to you. నోట్స్ ఇస్తాను, క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తాను. మీరందరూ మీ వర్క్ బుక్స్ని ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి. ఓపెన్ యో, దిస్ ఇస్ అ వర్క్ బుక్. WORK వర్క్, BOOK బుక్, వర్క్ బుక్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు ఓపెన్ యువర్ వర్క్ బుక్స్. ఓపెన్. వెరీ గుడ్. హియర్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు ఓపెన్ యువర్ వర్క్ బుక్స్ ఎట్ ద పేజ్ నెంబర్ 4. ఏ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి మీరు? Page number 4. Okay? Very good. Open. Very nice. What is our lesson name? New life on a farm. That lesson, questions are given here. We have to give the answers of the questions. Okay, now all the questions in the unnai chusara meeru. Questions unnai. Answer the following questions. Undagada ikkada lines ichchadu. One question is given. What's first question? WHAT. What? IS is. TH the. CHICK apostrophe S. Chicks. HOUSE. House. MADE. Made. OF of. What is a chick's house made of? Question is there. What is a chick's house made of? చెప్పింది అక్కడ, మై హౌస్ ఈజ్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. ద చిక్స్ సెడ్ లైక్ దట్. మా హౌస్ చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రా అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్లాంక్స్. సెడ్ ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నో. దట్ ఆన్సర్ యూ హ్యావ్ రైట్. ఓకే, ఆల్ యు టేక్ యువర్ పెన్సిల్స్, ఎరేజర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో షార్ప్నర్స్. షార్ప్ యువర్ పెన్సిల్. మంచిగా బాగా షార్ప్ చేసుకొని నీట్గా ప్రెస్ చేసుకుంటూ రాయండి. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి బ్యూటిఫుల్. మీ క్లాస్ వర్క్ లేదు, ఇదే మీ క్లాస్ వర్క్ కాబట్టి అందంగా రాసుకోవాలి. హౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, రైట్ వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. స్టార్ట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. WHAT what? IS is. TH the. CHICK apostrophe S. It is called apostrophe. Chicks. HOUSE house. MADE mad. OF of. Already this question is given in the textbook. Book లోనే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ప్రింట్ అయ్యింది. సో నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ అగైన్. మీరు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రాయని అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకు? ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్ అక్కడ రాసే ఉంది. Already it was written. Okay, no need to write. You must write only the answer. Answer. Okay. TH the. CHICK apostrophe S. Chicks. HOUSE house. IS is. MADE mad. OF of. The chick's house is made of straw. STRAW, straw, and WOODN, wooden, PLANKS, planks. Okay, the chick's house is made of straw and wooden planks. Okay, write down, complete that. Next, second question. HOW, how? MANY, many. How many? KITTENS, kittens. DID, did. THE, CAT, cat. How many kittens did the cat have that winter? Winter. And WHAT, what? COLOUR, color. ARER, THE, how many kittens did the cat have that winter? What color are they? How many kittens? The cat got how many kittens? How many? 6 kittens. The cat gave the birth to 6 kittens. In some are black, some are in white. Okay? Cat has given the birth for 6 kittens. The cat had 6 kittens. The cat had 6 kittens. That winter. That winter. The cat had 6 kittens that winter. Some are black and some are white. Some kittens are black and white. Download this. You don't write a question. You have to write only the answer. Don't write the question. Question rayadu. What you have to write? You have to write only the answer because question is already given there. The cat had 6 kittens that winter. Some kittens are black and are white. I am wrapping the first one. Third one. WHAT, what? DID, did the. TH, the. LAMB, lamb. WANT, want. TO2, BB. What did the lamb want to be? What is the lamb want to be? The lamb said, I want to become as my mother, as beautiful as. I would be the biggest woolly lamb in the world. It said no. చెప్పిందా మా మమ్మీ లాగా చాలా అందంగా కావాలి, బాగా ఉండాలి అంటుందా? The lamb said like that, no? We have to give that answer. The lamb wanted to T-H-E-D-L-A-M-B lamb, W-A-N-T-E-D wanted, T-O-2 to be as beautiful, to be as beautiful as its mother. As beautiful as its mother. వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ లాగా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కావాలంటుంది. The lamb wanted to be as beautiful as its mother and want to be it wanted to be as the biggest woolly sheep in the world. The lamb wanted to be as beautiful as its mother. Then వాళ్ళ మదర్ లాగా అందంగా కావాలనుకుంది. And also it wanted to be as the biggest wool sheep in the world. Okay? బాగా గురించి వరల్డ్ లోనే బిగ్గెస్ట్ wool sheep గా కావాలనుకుంటుంది. ఓకే, కంప్లీట్. Fourth one. Why was the farmer so excited? Complete that. Did you complete this one? Complete chesara idi. Show it up. Okay, rubbing. Why was the farmer so excited? The farmer was so excited about the new life in his farm. The arrival of new life in his farm. What baby lambs, baby sheep, baby lamb, baby chicks, baby ducklings, baby piglets are arriving now. That's what he was so excited. He was excited about the new life, the arrival of new life. Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. The farmer was, W-S was, so, S-O-So, E-X-C-I-T-E-D, excited. The farmer was so excited about, A-B-O-U-T, about the arrival, A-R-R-I-V-I-N-G, Arrival of new life in his farm. Arrival of new life in his farm. The farmer was so excited about the arrival of new life in his farm. Okay, complete. Completed. Very good. Take. Shut it up. Unscribble the following words to get the names of some animals you find on the farm. Here the words are jumbled. You know that here TAC. What is this? It is a cat. CAT, cat. Here, because here the words are jumbled. Here the words are jumbled. Here OOKB. What is this? POOK. Book. Because here the words are jumbled, we have to find out the correct word spelling. Okay? Here BLUL. What is that? You can find out in your lesson. You learn already new life on a farm lesson. Already you learn, no? The word came in that lesson. What is that? You have to write that. And SEHEP. What is that? You know that already, that one. Next, PGIELT. What is that word? LMAB. What is that word? You can find out these words in your textbook, in your course book. Already you నేర్చుకున్నారు మీ కోర్స్ బుక్లో. నేర్చుకున్నారా? ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో అలా టచ్ చేయాలి. HROESE. What is that one? CICHK. What is that one? OWC. What is that one? DCUK. What is that one? You had right. This is your homework. Today you must search about these words in your course book. ఇవన్నీ ఏ వర్డ్స్ మీ కోర్స్ బుక్లో వెతికి రాయండి. Tomorrow I will say again. Today you have to find out. ఈరోజు మీరు ఫైండ్ చేయండి. Today you have to find out what are these nouns. What are these jumbled words? Here you must find out what are these jumbled words nouns. ఇవి మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో వచ్చిన వర్డ్స్. అవి ఏం వర్డ్స్ మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి రాయండి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ హోంవర్క్. ఓకే? Take next page. Rearrange the groups of words. Rearrange the group of words below to make a meaningful sentence. Don't forget to start the word with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Okay? Here some of the sentences given here. Some of the sentences are given here. we have to punctuate them. Punctuate the following sentences. Punctuation means using capital letter, keeping full stop, if it is a question mark, and also where is the comma is needed, keeping comma. These are the punctuation marks. These are the punctuation marks. Okay? Punctuation marks. Do you know punctuation marks? Did you learn in your previous class? Valid kaavachu kada. Here I will say one example. First one, table, the bag, under is the. Table, the bag, under is the. Actually, the bag is under the table. Bag ikkada undira ante ikkada undi, table kinda undi. Where is the bag? Here, the bag. I am writing. The bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. Is this correct? Is this correct? The bag is under the table. The sentence meaning is correct. The bag is under the table. The bag table kinda undi. Okay, the meaning is correct. But I did not punctuate this. Punctuation cheyalenu. I did not punctuate. Punctuate ante full stop petledu, comma use cheyaledu, capital petledu. Where they are necessary, we have to keep them. మీరు ఏ సెంటెన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడైనా ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏం పెట్టాలి? క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ షుడ్ బి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ ఇస్ అ పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్. నేను పెట్టాను ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టానా? నో. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ రాంగ్. సో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ షుడ్ బి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. నౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్. The bag is under the table. This sentence is completed. It is a meaningful sentence. This sentence complete అయిపోయింది. The meaningful గా ఉంది. ఏమనుంది? The bag is, where is the bag? Where is the bag? The bag is under the table. So it is a meaningful sentence. After the meaningful sentence, we have to keep full stop. Em petale? After the meaningful sentence. It is a meaningful sentence. Em petale kada? We have to keep full stop. Petara full stop. First letter should be capital letter and also ending a full stop. That is enough to you. ఇది చాలు మీకు. The second class లో ఇంత మట్టికి వెళ్ళి ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ పెట్టాలి. ఎండింగ్ లో ఏం పెట్టాలి? సెంటెన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాక ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. డ్రింక్, I to milk, like. Will you find out the sentence? How to make this meaningful sentence? Drink I to milk like means నాకు మిల్క్ తాగడం అంటే ఇష్టం. ఏమంటాను ఇంగ్లీష్లో? నాకు మీన్స్ ఐ, ఇష్టం. I like to drink milk. Do you like to drink milk? I think so. No. Will you drink milk? తాగుతారా? మీరందరూ పాలు తాగుతారా? ఇష్టంగా తాగుతారా, కష్టంగా తాగుతారా? Do you like to drink? Do you like to drink milk? Drink milk every day. Okay? It is good for health. I like like light, TO2. I like to drink what? Milk. I like to drink milk. Is this it is a meaningful sentence, okay? It is a meaningful sentence. Meaning కూర్చుంది ఇక్కడ ఏమని? I like to drink milk. నాకు పాలు తాగడం అంటే ఇష్టం. It is a meaningful sentence. But did I punctuate this? Did I punctuate this? దీన్ని పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్స్ పెట్టానా? పంక్చువేట్ చేశానా? ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టానా? ఎండింగ్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టానా? No, I did not punctuate it. Okay, I did not punctuate. Punctuation marks are very necessary. So, but punctuate చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి నేను? First letter should be capital. Means I should be capital. I should be capital. Capital letter is completed. Ending what we had to keep? At the sentence ending what we had to keep? ఇక్కడ ఏం పెట్టాము? ఈ సెంటెన్స్ ఏం పెట్టాము ఎండింగ్ లో? Dot. Dot is called as full stop. Dot will mean full stop. Here also I like to drink milk. After that we have to keep full stop. అక్కడ ఏం పెడదాం మనం? Full stop. Okay, download this. The bag is under the table. T capital letter ending full stop. I capital letter ending full stop. I like to drink milk. Here we learn capital letter and also full stop. These are the punctuation marks. What are these? These are punctuation marks. Okay, very good. Third one. Dad o'clock. Dad o'clock. Work goes my 9 to 8. How to make it meaningful sentence? Dad. What is dad going? Where is dad going? Dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Who's dad? My dad. Your daddy? My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Now it is a meaningful sentence. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Now it is a meaningful sentence. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. It is a meaningful sentence. What I missed here? What I missed? I missed capital letter and also the full stop. Okay? I am keeping now. Capital M and ending full stop. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Okay? Complete this. Next, fourth one. Want to they cricket play. Here we have to find out the first noun. Who are there? ఇక్కడ ఎవరు నా చెప్పు? They. What's the pronoun? They. They what verb where? Here verb. They want to play cricket. They want to play cricket. They want to play cricket. Is this correct? Punctuation is missed. Means T should be capital. And ending full stop. Brother, a dancer. My is. Whose brother? My brother. What is my brother? Dancer. My brother is a dancer. My brother is a dancer. Ending full stop. First letter, capital letter. Next, great. He, a person, is. Who is great? He. He is a great person. He is a great person. First should be capital. Ending full stop. He is a great person. Is a dog it cute? First to find out the pronoun. What is the pronoun? It. It is a cute dog. It is a cute dog. I should be capital. Ending full stop. It is a cute dog. Okay? Completed. Complete these punctuation marks. Punctuate the following. Here we learn only the capital letter and also full stop. First it should be capital letter and ending at the end of the sentence we have to keep full stop. Okay? You have to learn that only. It's enough to you. Capital letter and full stop. Complete this. Today's class is completed. Okay, tomorrow I will meet you. Bye.